What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Nada, back with another video. And today, as y'all can see by the title, I am making some bandana slash butterfly type jeans. To this pair of jeans right here to match the shoes that I customized. I don't know if this video is gonna be out first or the shoe. So this might be out first or the custom shoes. But whatever video I'll get first. But I'm gonna be putting bandana in between like the rips, like just the patches, like where these is at. The bandanas is gonna go right there. I got red and I got this pink. I don't know if the camera is showing because the light is bright, but this is pink and this one's red. I was gonna go for a darker pink too, but the dark pink, if y'all see the shoes, my shoes like two light pinks, so I guess this is a bubblegum pink is really okay. And then the red, since the red on my shoe is darker a little bit too, but it doesn't really matter. And I'm not gonna be sewing, I'm gonna be using this glue right here. We're gonna get into that. And also I'm going to be iron on some reflective butterflies, and then like to fill in the butterflies, like I'm gonna pop a picture of the butterfly on here, but I use Cricut or whatever. I have one of those machines, so the reflective vinyl is right here, and then I'll show y'all the machine. The machine basically right here or whatever. I'm going to be cutting the butterflies out of there, and in between like the butterflies I will paint it like pink and red. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is pretty much, oh, you're gonna need scissors. I forgot what's the name? I didn't have scissors. I got the butterflies. You probably still can do this, see, because like this is like, it's a little bit, you can see the reflective. This is reflective vinyl, so at night you know what reflective look like. So and like in betweens, and I weed out the things and then iron it on here. I'm going to paint in the colors like red and pink, but we're gonna put that aside, put all this, the jeans and everything aside, and then we're gonna just cut our bandanas into the sizes that we want. Or right now I'm just gonna like cut around these little edges where there's no bandana, that's just plain, because I'm pretty much not gonna use that, obviously. Okay, so I got all my little tiny pieces that I kind of want in the big like holes, and then I'm going to like glue those ones on. Then I want to see if I want to add some more on, like on top of the jean, like patches. I don't know, but I'm just gonna see how these ones look underneath, like inside. So I'm gonna take it out and then do it like that. So the little patches, we're about to do this. So what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna let all this dry, bro. And in the mix of that, bro, y'all should have, I know y'all seen in the time lapse showing, I ran out of glue. That little bottle, well, and then I went to the store and I got two of these, two more, and these got more glue in it than the last one, because the other one I bought, it wasn't these little bottles, it wasn't these bottles. The last one I bought like a little packet, and I got nothing in it but air. Like if y'all seen it when it first came out, it came out a little bit of freaking table. it was nothing in there but air and a little bit. So the patches didn't lay down. But now, like, they not coming up off this jean. So I'm just let this dry because, yeah, let it dry. Then I'm going to pull it out. And then these two patches right here, the two, I want them to be in, like, instead of putting it in the inside and it's showing the outside, I feel like I want to put it on the pant leg, like, I don't know. I think I want to either put these two patches, instead of putting it on the pant leg, put it on the pocket, the back pocket. You feel me? I think I want to do that. I don't know, but whatever I say, I'm probably going to do that. I'm probably going to do half and half on the back pocket. Because I'm already putting butterflies on here. I just put my hand in glue. Oh no. Alright, so I'm back and I got these butterflies. Y'all can see them now because I weeded it out. Oh wait. This one I feel like I ain't weed out enough. Hold on, let me. This one right here. It's good. But what you do, basically, I'm probably try to, I don't know, wait, hold on. Cause, oh yeah, I'm so dumb. I was about to iron this on all of this reflective. It's finna stay on there. So I gotta take this off first. Oh no. Oh. Because I was trying to figure out, yeah, why that was still on there. Now, I just weeded out the earpieces. Y'all can't even see it. But I'm going to have to paint them. Oh, yeah, that'll be good. Actually, I'm glad that I took that off. Because I can use the... See? I took, like... Y'all see. But when after I take this off. Let me take this off first. And I'm going to show y'all what I mean. I weeded out. I just threw it on the floor. But I weeded off like the earpieces because I'm going to paint them on like, I'm going to paint them on red and pink. So I think I want to lay like one, I want to lay them on an angle. So one here and then one here. I'm probably going to iron my pants real quick. Like iron it. Ooh. Y'all, I'm about to get mad because, yeah, I'm gonna pull that yet because it's the only, but I just need this little piece to be flat. So I think I want it at an angle, like right here. It's probably gonna be like that. Yeah, and then up here, I'm gonna iron this. And then I'm gonna make another one off camera. Oh, I did them off camera, but I'm gonna make another one, and I'm gonna iron on off camera. And then I'm going to show y'all the ending. But I think I want one right here, and then one right here. And then one lower to the pant leg, like probably like right here. I want another butterfly. like right here, and then probably another one on the other pant leg as well. Alright, I finished and I finally was saying, so I'm about to show y'all the end results. I know y'all see me struggling those speed ups because I was iron, but I'm gonna show y'all the front. So the patches, y'all can see when I put these on, like I'll probably do like a on. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do an on because I got the little door mirror. But look, y'all can see the butterflies reflecting, and I'll put the little ones down here, right there, and then the back pocket, y'all went ahead and threw that butterfly right on there. This is like my favorite part of the jean. The back pocket is literally my favorite part of this jean. Like, look at that. That's hard. But I can't wait to wear these jeans. These things are hard. And when y'all see the sneakers, because the sneaker has a butterfly patch on both sneaker and the front too. So when y'all see them, when that video drop, yeah, the camera off the ring light, and then do like a close-up for y'all so y'all can see. But if I turn the lights off and do my flash, like do the camera thing with the flash, turn off the ring light, y'all can see like the reflective butterfly, like how it look. So I'm gonna do a close-up for y'all and then turn off the ring light. So 1 second. So here we go. First the bandana look close. Like these came out so nice, and I got the bandana in this part for both pant legs. But now I'm about to turn off the ring light, and y'all gonna see the reflector with the camera flash on. Then y'all can see how it's reflecting with the flash, huh? Like, I went ahead and threw something on the leg. Boom, boom. Like, it looks super hard. My favorite part, y'all, the butterfly on the back. Oh yeah, that's super hard. If y'all like this video, don't forget this video. Look, I can't even talk today, y'all. But that's the end of the video. If y'all like this video, don't forget to give a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below some other videos y'all want me to do for y'all, because I will do. But turn y'all post notifications on, because I am dropping a custom sneaker video that goes with these jeans I just did, that I will be wearing with these jeans. So be on the lookout for that, because I'm probably gonna drop this first, drop this video first, then drop that one. So yeah, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and peace.